how to multiply out brackets that have surds in them. So we're going to do it the same way that we'd multiply out any other brackets. You just need to think about and remember the extra rules that we know about surds when it comes to the simplifying side of things. So we're going to start by doing 2 times 1, which gives us 2. Then it's 2 times root 3, which gives us 2 root 3. Then we've got root 3 times 1, which gives us just root 3. And finally, we've got root 3 times root 3. And if you remember the rule, that means that that will give us 3. Because root 3 times root 3 is root 3 squared, so that undoes the square root. So now what we've got to do is just tidy this up. So we've got 2 and 3 there together, so that makes 5. And then we've got 2 root 3's here and 1 here, so altogether we've got 3 root 3. So there's nothing very much different about doing it here. You've just got to remember those rules that we know about surds. So I want to introduce you to a very important special case of multiplying out that's going to be very useful when we move on to talking about rationalizing in another video. So here we're going to do the multiplying out so that you can see the special case that we've got here. So we're going to do 3 times 3, which gives us 9. And we're going to do 3 times root 2, which gives us 3 root 2. Then we're going to do minus root 2 times 3, so that's minus 3 root 2. And then finally we're going to do minus root 2 times plus root 2, so that means we've got a negative result there. And root 2 times root 2 is root 2 squared, therefore it is just 2. Okay, so this is what I want you to notice. This section in the middle is going to cancel out, so there will be no surd part left in our answer. This is an example of what's known as the difference of two squares, which I explain in another video, but it's a very important case that you need to be aware of. So the difference of two squares, we can spot it because both brackets are identical apart from the sign in the middle. That's the clue that we've got this. So to finish this off, as I say, these two bits here in the middle, plus 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2, they're just going to cancel each other out. So we're left with just 9 minus 2, which is 7.